Hey everybody, welcome back to the Liquid Arts channel. Today we're going to solve a pretty common problem. It's a problem that's been going on with SeaDoos and BRP for a long time, and they don't do anything to fix it because they want to sell you a new key. And I don't have to tell you how much that's going to cost. So you got yourself a fancy new SeaDoo. You got one of these DESS keys. It's kind of your kill switch, safety switch key mechanism, but you may be having a problem with it not seating properly or with it falling off. You're just riding along, all of a sudden engine dies because you've lost contact between your key and your post. Let's take a quick look at the post. Here's your key post. What happens is this little ring keeps wearing. Every time you take the key on and off, it starts wearing down. So once your ski gets a little bit older, you might have some problems. Also, inside the key, there's some little rings inside there, kind of molded into the rubber, and those are actually supposed to help you hold the key on. But after a while, you start getting some wear in there as well. So you put this on. It's falling off way too easy, right? There's just nothing holding it on to the post. I'm going to show you a way to fix this without spending any money, and I think you're going to be surprised. Hang on, here comes the solution. Okay, all you're going to need to fix this is just a common zip tie. Try to get one that has a little bit of width to it. If you use a super skinny one, it may not work as good. Take your key. Put this in just about this position. Start cinching it down. Cinching it down. So you're just putting a little bit of pressure on it. And now what you're going to want to do is put this onto your key post. See if it fits any tighter. If it doesn't, take it back off. And then very carefully do one click at a time on your zip tie. That's my suggestion. Click it, tighten it up a little bit, put it back on the post, check the fit. You obviously don't want it so tight that it doesn't want to come off, but you got to kind of find that happy medium. So now we're going to go back out, and we're going to put this back on the post and see how it feels. Okay, we're back out here at the ski. Let's see if we can get this put on there and see if we get the double beep, which means it's seated properly. There we go. We've got just a little bit more friction on there, but not too much. It comes right off. And you might even, you could even trim this off, maybe actually glue the zip tie on there so it kind of stays put where you need it. But that will definitely keep it from falling off. And it's kind of embarrassing when you're cruising around with somebody, and all of a sudden the thing just dies for absolutely no reason. And also, if you're doing too many restarts, you could run your battery down at the same time. That's all I've got for today. There's a cheap fix. Hopefully that saves you some cash. See ya.